Turning to the biggest overseas mover, India. Stocks tumbling as the country counts votes for its 2024 election. Seema Mody here at Post 9 with the details on the election and the reaction.
What a shock. And there's been major reaction from different India strategists, Mike. So let's run through some of them. MK Partners writing that Modi's inability to win an outright majority won't change India's economic trajectory. However, key reforms tied to land and agriculture are now at risk. Asia Society's team writes that even with the continuity that Modi brings, a coalition government always runs into trouble, especially when devising economic plans. Bernstein is a bit more bullish, referencing a continuity of power. Their target on India's Nifty is 23,500. It's currently trading right below 22. As to why Modi wasn't able to clinch an outright majority, experts we've been speaking to point to a number of reasons, including his treatment of minorities and suppression of critics and the media. Indian stocks, you'll see, are vastly underperforming global markets today. The India ETF down about 3%. Take a look at the country's biggest banks, ICICI and HDFC, down about 10%. And then there's Adani Enterprises, led by billionaire Gautam Adani, who is dependent on Modi's infrastructure reforms. You'll see that stock is down nearly 20%. So a lot of big movers here, guys.
For sure. And I just wonder what the markets are interpreting as the reprioritization of what would otherwise have happened if there was really a more decisive victory for Modi.
Well, I think Wall Street was really betting on a leader who is not only pro-business, but someone who had this super majority and could really consolidate power and push all these economic reforms with his third term within the span of 6 to 12 months. Now, all of that is under question because we're not sure with this coalition how much power he will have and the timeline on his economic reforms and which ones he will prioritize. Now, in terms of U.S.-India relations, according to the Council on Foreign Relations, that relationship will remain as is. I don't think that will be impacted. Corporate expansion into the country, still waiting for some more reporting and some more details on how that could be affected by this coalition. But there's just more questions now because the expectation was that this was going to be a clean sweep.